On May 19, 2023, in Florida, officers were called to Walmart for a shoplifting incident. They met with a loss prevention employee who had detained a woman and her young son.
Man, if you grab me that hard again,
I'm telling you, you will walk with me.
You will, I will.
You want to play this game? Let's go. I'll drag you out to the car if you want to play that way.
Are you?
Walk on your own 2 feet.
You're a joke of police officer.
This side.
You're gonna have a real lawsuit on your hands.
Perfect.
Let go of my arm before I seriously knee you in the balls.
You going to threaten me now?
No.
You want to catch another charge?
My arm.
You want to catch another charge?
Why don't you let go?
Get in the car.
Whoa!
Get in the car before I throw you in the car.
I really hope someone's recording this because you are.
It's all on recording. Get in the car.
Ridiculous.
Get in the car.
You are such a piece of shit.
Get in the car.
Oh my god, you're a piece of shit.
Ella 13, can you come back out here? She slipped her cuffs.
And follow us on social at Walmart World.
What the heck are you doing?
I'm telling
What are you doing?
I will pay for everything I.
That's not how this works.
Kids. I have 2 kids.
You're going to
I'll pay
jail.
Thousands of.
Going to jail.
I'm not going to jail, man.
Yes, you
I
are.
have enough against me.
I don't
will
care.
do anything.
You got both cups off, ripped them right out, and she's trying to push the door open on me, so.
You guys want to run the email out there?
We should be good for now. Well, she pissed all over herself.
Yeah, thought about that for a second. I just haven't searched her because of the female thing, and so I just don't want to leave her too long without that. Well, go on tighter.
Yeah.
Sir, have a lawsuit on your hands.
Get out here.
You're out of here. No, you're out of here. You just smashed my fingers. Get off of me. Get the off of me. You smashed my fingers in the door, and I will screw you so hard.
Stop. Are you gonna keep going?
Piece of shit.
She also tried to kick us in the balls. So
No, I did not.
yes, she did.
Look at my fingers. You're being cute. I'm not joking.
What is so complicated about this?
Oh, you know what's so complicated about it? You smashed my fingers in the goddamn door. This is Walmart, you piece of shit.
Stop moving. Do you understand me?
Oh. Oh my god. Someone needs to be at He's just got me by the throat.
I don't have you by the throat.
You had me. That's not by the throat, you mother.
I'm heading out that way. What do you got?
Alright.
GTSO is 1054. SSO is going to try to work on getting a female. She's on another call. They're going to try to get her cleared up.
Are gonna.
Stop.
You.
Get in the car.
Look at what you did in my fingers.
You were punching the dang door.
You.
Get in the car.
Get out of my way.
Really?
This
Get in the car now.
bullshit. Oh my god. You guys are so. I'm a white woman. Look at what the you're doing to
Good.
me.
Sit down.
Out of my face.
Sit down. Now.
How am I supposed to sit down if I can't
You won't get in
up?
the car. I give you the opportunity. Look how you're acting.
Look at my kid, you dickhole.
Get in the car.
I'm here for my kid.
Get up on the seat. You're doing great.
I'm doing great.
Yep. Come on. Get your feet in the car now.
No.
All right. All right, there's a battery charge. Stick me. There's a battery charge.
Northport SB10.
We're going to get all the charges today.
Go for it, Jim. Go ahead.
You better let me out.
No, you're going to jail.
What?
You're going to jail.
Going to jail for what?
Battery on me now. Stealing from Walmart. Do I gotta keep going?
What?
I'm gonna keep going if you keep acting like this. It's absolutely ridiculous.
Two mother kids, people they can't even provide for. You must be so proud that my kid won't have milk or shit. You're a piece of goddamn. I swear to God. Cops are like the dumb of the universe. You all think you have all the power, don't go work for God.
Let me glove up. We'll probably need all of this. She on that side of it, right? Yeah, super duper feisty.
Hey, come on out. Take a step out. I'm not sticking again. Take a breather. Okay. Take the car. Step over.
North Park, one-way 13.
Take this foot, spread around a bit. A little bit more.
Send a call to your guy.
There you go. Do you have anything that's not full?
Roger.
Okay.
Intel 11, 1 over 10.
Go ahead for 1 over 10.
Are you still trying to get a hold of a guardian for the child?
That is correct.
Alright, therefore, we've got a couple extra numbers, so I'll try up here in the Arctic and all that. I tried the two that the nurses just sent me for the mother. One went to voice message, one's out of service, and there's no answer at the residency. Dad drives a silver Jeep with black wheels. We found some other family members nearby. We're try that. So, send me what you have, and I can swing by the address to the
Before you put it back in, I want to adjust the cuffs a little bit too.
Yeah.
You guys, you already got your hands into it. You want to just fix this for me?
Yes, they want on.
No, you made a bad decision. And then,
If you want, you can
and
move
then
them
you made another bad decision
and
by
pray.
nothing.
Nothing.
Be a little more comfortable for her. She just was fighting pretty bad, so
You picked
she's
up.
calmed down a little bit.
Right.
10-4.
Resisting. You got enough for resisting?
I still need you getting the resisting merchant, or are you talking about resisting with violence?
The resisting arrest.
Yeah, I do the resisting.
Because you could just, it's
And
on
with,
top
when I
of
have
the battery.
the battery, I'll do the resisting, and I got to see if she resisted the merchant as well. I might tack that one on there. They got her in there, so I think she was just mouthing off, but she did go in, so I don't think I'm gonna do that one.
Right back in.
Cuff's good now?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. All right, we're gonna get going up to the jail.
1 over 13, 1 over 11.
Good.
Eagle 14, we just found a lot more merchandise stuffed into the car seat, so your price is going to go up. Stand by.
Hold on. Taffel. Is there a reason why you slipped out of your handcuffs? Is there a reason why you took the cuffs off again? Okay. Well, we'll be stopping and putting them back on. When you calmed down, the female officer was trying to be nice and give you the cuffs on so they weren't squeezing down on your wrists. But
Schoolwork 66 traffic.
I'm going to need some assistance to put these handcuffs back on. She's slipped them again.
1 hour to 11 hour court. I'm 97 in the rear lot. You may want to put other gloves on. She's already peed herself once. She's threatening. Come on, sir. She's threatening all sorts of things. So,
You got another pair.
yeah. Okay. And she's slipped her cuffs now twice, and 2 different people have set them, so they're gonna have to be set a little bit tighter. She's got Rommel's at felony shoplifting and Bat Leo. So.
Oh, on who?
Me. Yeah, she kicked me in the wrist.
Give me
when we were trying to get her back in the car. So
10-4.
You ready? Yeah?
step out.
Great, thanks.
Come on, turn around.
Don't touch me like that. That's a little too aggressive, sir.
Okay, just turn. Stop.
No, he is being aggressive.
I get it. Put your hands together like you're praying. Still double one. Just hold her like that.
Are you okay? Do you have like superhuman strength, or what the is wrong with your arm there? Yeah, no, that's not gonna work.
Well, you keep slipping them.
I don't give a shit. Loosen
I do.
that up. Loosen them both up. That's absolutely.
Oh, you don't like it because you can't
I
go
don't
in?
care. That's too hard.
Yeah, maybe you'll sit appropriately.
White woman, I know who before.
There's one. Let's put this one out.
You need to stop seriously grabbing me like that. Sir.
Stop.
Good luck.
No.
You want to get like again?
Nick.
Stop. Come on.
It's way too hard.
All right, well, stop moving.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Come on. All the way.